Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're gonna see how to install development tools on Linux. First we will see how to install on CentOS and which is applicable for both RHEL 7 and also for Fedora. And then we will see for Debian based distributions like Ubuntu and also Linux Mint. First, before that, let me explain a short introduction about development tools. Development tools package are required to install on your system if you have planned to build software, and also it is useful for building packages on your system. Development tools contains useful tools like GCC, G++, Make, library tools, RPM build, and AutoConf, and many other packages. This tutorial will help you to install development tools on Linux. So first, before that, you need to make sure that your system is up to date, and you can verify that by using mupdate command. So system is up to date now, and then you can use the following set of commands to install development packages on your Red Hat and their derivative systems. It's group install, and then followed by development tools, and please note that it is a case sensitive, and just press enter. Now your development tools will be installed on the machine, and now just press Y to continue. And also if you see here, it's gonna install 22 packages and plus 25 dependent packages. And if you see here, all the tools are installed. And if you want to find out what is in the group, use the command to find out. So these are the packages and dependencies that were installed. And also after the successful installation of essential packages on your system, you can check the latest versions of the important binaries like GCC and Make versions. If you see here, the GCC package 4.8.5 has been installed, and then you can also check the package version of Make. If you see here, GNU Make 3.82 has been installed. So this is how you install development tools on Red Hat derivative systems. Next, we will see how to install these essential packages on Debian based Ubuntu systems or Linux Mint. And this is a Linux Mint 18.3 version, which is a Debian derivative. So in order to install those development tools on these Debian derivatives, you have to install a different packages. But before that, just make sure that your system repository is up to date. And now, in order to install those tools, you have to use a build essential package. So you can do that by using a following command: apt get install build essential. Whereas in Red Hat derivatives, it is development tools, and here it is build essential. Just press Y to continue. So now it is installed, and also you can verify the version of the packages as same we followed in the CentOS. And if you see here, GCC version 5.4.0 has been installed, and if you check for Make, 4.1 version has been installed. So this is how you install development tools on Linux on both CentOS, that is Red Hat derivatives, and also on Linux Mint, which is an Debian derivative. So I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.